Hello, everyone. I wanted to do a little review or a little verses of these two travel backpacks that I have. One is by Kenneth Cole, the other is by Vera Bradley. Here are these two backpacks side by side. They're both black. Obviously, I love the color black. It just goes with everything. Obviously, these backpacks do come in a multitude of colors. I think the Kenneth Cole one has a more of a versatile color range than the Vera Bradley one. I believe their Featherweight collection, which is the way that they describe these types of bags. I guess they're softer, they're more lightweight. They come in, I think, pink, some teal color, like a pink multicolor, and then this black one here. So, of course, I had to choose black. Both of these are great, you know. They both come with trolley sleeves, which I really love. So that's why I was like, both of them are pretty great for travel. Here I have them attached on the back. Sorry, not on the back, on the top of my luggage. And the luggage is also a Kenneth Cole Reaction carry-on hard side luggage. So I guess maybe I'm like biased towards Kenneth Cole. But anywho, they both have their uses. So I'm going to start with the Vera Bradley one. As you can see, the top shape is pretty unique. I think that's what drew my eye to this bag. It's like the top is kind of like you're opening like more of a sack than a backpack. Also, I know someone commented, I think on a Vera Bradley website, that when they kind of move their hands over the bag, it makes a noise like I don't know how to describe it. Not really good with my words, but it's a kind of a loud noise when you rub your hands over it. Now, for that doesn't bother me, but if you don't like the sound of, I guess, maybe fabric noise, I guess, then maybe that might bother you. But anyway, the opening, I love the opening because I was able to just fit more stuff into the top of this backpack. Not a knock on Kenneth Cole, but Kenneth Cole is a typical backpack. You know, you get your books, your binder, your laptop in there. With this one, I mean, you guys can see I have my whole makeup pouch in there. That's that little pink and white pouch. So that can also fit in the Kenneth Cole backpack, but it's not really meant for that. So here's a pocket at the top, which I thought was pretty cute. It's like a hidden pocket. I guess some people might put their phone or cards or anything in there. They could do that. The front pocket, it just features slip pockets. There are no zip pockets. There's also something that looks like a ring or something that you can, I guess, attach your keychain, something like that too. But yeah, it's a bunch of slide pockets, so it's no zip pockets within this outer zip pocket. But if that doesn't bother you, then yeah, go ahead. I love the interior. It's like a watercolor painting inside and totally black on the outside, so it's kind of makes it look like there's just a whole bunch of imagination and wonder going inside the bag, while the outside just looks plain and very, not saying it's ugly, but it's just plain. It's just keeping it cool, while the inside is just bursting with just art and color and flowers and all kinds of things. The side, these are the I want to call them cup holders. That's what I plan on using them for, water bottle holders. I love that you can get to loosen them and tighten them. That's not something that's on the other Kenneth Cole backpack. It's just, you just have to hope whatever you have goes in there. While with these they're on both sides. You can kind of adjust them. There's also a laptop pocket, or I guess a tablet pocket, whatever. Maybe you want to put some folders in there too. But that's pretty cool because yes, you could use it as that travel, business, school backpack. It's pretty versatile. And at the bottom, there's a shoe compartment. I thought that was pretty unique. Yes, it's a bunch of fabric because I think it's meant to push up when you put your shoes in there. But I thought this was cool. I've never seen I've seen a backpack with a shoe compartment, but not one as stylish as this. Usually they're pretty rugged and not very attractive. This bag is very attractive, and it comes with a shoe compartment, laptop compartment, and it's just squishy. It's lightweight, squishy and lightweight. Just feels really nice. So yeah, here's me squishing it. Because I'm like, I can't believe how soft it is. It's very squishy. You can kind of like press it in. Oh yes, the straps. The straps are very comfortable too. Most backpack straps, I feel like sometimes they make the backpack, they kind of neglect the straps, but these are kind of squishy. So I like them. But it's a good little backpack. And now we're on to the Kenneth Cole backpack, and this has been my like boss work laptop, laptop bag, travel bag, whatever, because the pockets at the front have little pencil holders, pencil pen, card. I mean, look at all the stuff that is going on in this. You have like little zips. You can hold a whole bunch of things in here. Cards, just I mean, look at all that. They get a combination of just the slip and the zip pockets and all kinds of things. And yes, I do leave the plastic on the zippers. It's something I don't know I like to do. I just like to leave the plastic on there. I feel like it keeps it looking newer for longer. So this backpack has a slimmer profile than the Vera Bradley one. It can also stand on its own better than the Vera Bradley one. The Vera Bradley one can stand, it just kind of leans a little bit. While this Kenneth Cole one, it just stands up, just normal, just stands up tall. It's pretty good. So this is the front laptop area. Laptop, you can put a tablet, you can fit folders, anything you want. It does have more room than the Vera Bradley laptop section. You can see the trolley sleeve, what do you call those straps on the back there. And the main compartment, this is the one I mentioned, did not have enough room for maybe if you were packing overnight or something. There's the tablet, I want to say tablet pocket. It's got like a little tablet icon on it. And also there's 2 slip pockets in there. So this laptop is pretty sturdy. This backpack is pretty sturdy. Both of them are pretty sturdy. It just depends on personal preference. Oh, also the cup holder in the side of the Kenneth Cole. They're very sturdy. Like they don't have any give, not like the Featherweight. So it just depends. I get my pros and my cons for both of them, but I love both of them.